and welcome back to my channel. My June Boxycharm is here. Let's open it up. I have high hopes for this month's box because I saw spoilers, and I normally don't look at the spoilers, and I did this time. So I'm kind of regretting it. So I'm already disappointed. But this is the inside of the box. We'll start off with the palette. This is the Sahara Nights palette from Eloise. It's all shimmer shades. And I hate it. Because it's all shimmers. They're really pretty, but disappointed already. Really was hoping I got the Violet Voss palette, and I never get the Violet Voss palettes ever. I'm gonna have all the prices also just listed on the screen. Next is this Volition Turmeric Brightening Polish. This is what it looks like. This is all opened. Like what? It's from Juice Beauty. It's a Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Retinol Overnight Serum. This sounds okay. And expensive. I feel like this brand's expensive. Next we got this Moonlit Lipstick Pencil. And I don't know what the shade is. Let's see. Color is okay. And last is this Kismet Polished Lip Plumping Gloss. This I actually will use. Let's see. It's a pretty color. It's in the shade Baby. This, I like plumping gloss. Let's see. Oh. Very pigmented. And it smells really good. Alright, so that was this month's Boxycharm. I will leave the grand total on the screen here. Let me know what you think. I'm not thrilled, and I haven't been thrilled with my Boxycharms a lot this year so far, so hopefully they get better. Let me know what you think down below. If you guys have any video suggestions, let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.